If the weather app in your iPhone is not working, then follow the following step. The first step is to simply reset your iPhone or close the weather app and start it again. For example, if you open your weather app and it's not working, then simply close the weather app like this, scroll it up and open it again. It might work. For the next step, make sure you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. For this, scroll down, long click on this, and then make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or your personal hotspot is not on and your cellular data is on. For the next step, restart your iPhone. Click on the power button until it's turned off and then again until it's turned on. This will reset your phone and it might help with your. For the next step, go to settings, then scroll down, go to privacy and security and click on location services. Make sure our location is on and here your weather app has turned on location. For the next step, go on settings, then scroll and go to general, then scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and here you can click on reset location and privacy. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.